Morning, people. The rain is still here. The yuckiness continue. I'm quite in a lot of pain from yesterday's exercise. There was a lot of testing and stuff. The coach wanted me to do some stuff that I'm not really ready for, but I tried it. And it was kind of fiasco, but not really, I don't know. So today I have pain all over my muscles and I'm tired. I slept okay, but I wake up here and there because of my cat. She's on a gastrointestinal food right now, so her tummy could get better. I have to get a lot of grass today for her. But yeah, it's kind of icky outside. I don't know, I'm just tired. Maybe Saturday I probably will skip gym just to rest more. I need more rest, so that one treadmill day will not do any difference for me of not doing it. I just need rest. Yeah, I need to rest my muscles and let them grow a bit. I'm just torturing myself. But the bus is coming, so yeah. See you when I get out. So here we are, out of the bus a few minutes later. And yeah, it's really, I don't know, it's kind of a sticky feeling outside. I don't know how to explain that. It's just disgusting. But gym concerning, no pain, no gain, they say. So I guess it's definitely true because I'm in a lot of pain today. I didn't think I could get in much more pain than this, but my God, this week was hard. And I don't know what we did yesterday that I'm in so much pain, but I guess it's called Spanish squat with the rubber band. Guys, let me tell you, that's horrifying. That's just horrifying. I can do it, no problem, but my God, does it hurt. Yep. At least it's not gray yet because it's night. When the sun comes out, it'll probably be, when the day comes out, it'll probably be really gray. And I think we have floods today, we'll see. I think it's much more flooded than yesterday. But yeah, right now I'm gonna have my breakfast. Yuck, I stepped into mud, guys. Ugh. Of course, stupid me walking on the grass in the rain. But yeah, it's gonna be breakfast, my coffee, and resting in gym. And as I said, tomorrow I'm just gonna freaking rest. I need 2 days of solid rest at Saturday and Sunday because my muscles hurt and they need rest as well. Oh God. But next week and the week after, it's gonna be hellish for me. So much stuff to do. Oh God. I'm just over everything this year. This year is hell. Well, not really, but it's just hard. So here we are. Let's turn around for the trains and buses. It's 5 o'clock and the river is huge. Oh God. And the rain still falls, so I have to open my umbrella. But here we are on the bridge. Sorry. And we turn around and the river, it's so close. The river is all the way to here, so it's very much ready to spill out. Look at it. It's huge. All the way from there, all the way to there. the length of the bridge. It's kind of scary. But right now, I'm just tired and ready to have my breakfast. My God, I'm not sure what's the name of the muscles. I forgot all the muscle names, and we did learn them all in the anatomy of the. When I was at the first year of Art Academy, I had to know what the anatomy. We had it all year. Can't remember for the death of me some names, but it's the front of your legs. Oh God, does it hurt? So, see, the river is all the way to the shore. It's amazing. I'm always amazed by this. I don't know, this nature. You know how nature is. I'm not gonna say cruel because that's normal, but how she knows what, when, where, and I think really that people do deserve everything that happens, because what we do to our planet is not normal. Just look at the freaking wars here in Europe and now in I'm not gonna even talk about it. There's too much stuff going on for my taste of no politic talk. Not even about freaking orange Trump. Oh God, do I hate that guy. He's so disgusting. Sorry guys, but he is. But yeah. And there's the river. Should I say here's the river? But anyway, I'm gonna go, guys. I'm kind of cold right now, so I'll talk to you later, and hope you're all doing fine, and stay happy, healthy, subscribe, share, like, and yeah, talk to you after the rain. No, I'm just kidding, I don't know when, probably after the gym. It's really disgusting outside. Take a look at this. It's really creepy. The water and the proximity. See? It's all the way to here. Yep. It's all the way here. So this is a nice photo. It's so close. Ugh.